How to get OP Auto Clicker on Mac. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can download the OP Auto Clicker for your MacBook. But first, just simply open up any available web browser that you can use on your Mac. And then from the search box, you simply type in OP Auto Clicker Mac. Now this is actually popular, and all you have to do is to choose on the very first result, that is going to be here, OP Auto Clicker. Then as you can see, you could get this via the Google Play or for Android and for App Store on iOS as well. Just simply click this option here that says download and wait for 3 to 5 seconds and then it will automatically be downloaded. This is what it should look like. Now on your Mac, all you have to do is to extract this file right here, and then you will see two folders. Now, for you to be able to open it, if you're using Mac, just choose on and open up the folder that says Mac OS X. And then just run this .app option so that you can use it. And that's it. That's how you get OP Auto Clicker for Mac.